Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to debug ASP.NET app. So I've already created a project here and the name of my app is MVC project. So to start debugging, you have to right click on the project and select the properties. And now under the properties, we have to select the web tab over here. And after we have selected the web tab, on the server option, we have to select the IS Express. And as we have see that we have selected IS Express over here. And now under the debuggers option, make sure that the checkbox of ASP.NET is selected. So you check it, and now we have to save the changes we have made. So simply press Ctrl S to save the changes. Okay, so the changes have been saved. Now in the toolbar option that we have over here, make sure to select the debug option and the IS Express, and Brave is my browser. And now to start the debugging process, simply press F5 and the debugging will be started. And here, as you can see, that we have successfully debugged our app. So thank you.